this tutorial will not work on itel or Syinix Smart Televisions. I will show you two methods of resetting this TV. One is the simple method, and the second method will involve entering into the itel or Syinix TV hidden menu to reset the TV. There are many reasons to reset your TV. Maybe someone interfered with the settings too much that you cannot go back. And the other biggest reason is that you forgot your password. So if you forgot your itel or Syinix TV password, I have a solution for you. In the first method, take your remote control and press menu. Scroll down all the way to setup. Enter into setup and then scroll down. You see reset TV settings. When you enter, do you want to reset database to default? Select OK and the TV will reset. Now this will reset the TV to initial settings, and you have to set up everything again from the language to the country and scanning for TV channels. So this first method will reset all your audio settings, all your picture settings, and it will wipe all the channels that you had stored on the TV. The only thing that this will not do is reset the password. So to reset the password, let's go into the second method. This is how you go about it. But before I get into that, I have a whole other video about itel and Syinix TV hidden factory service menu password, tips and warnings. I would suggest that you watch this video first before you continue, because there is a very big risk of you actually damaging your TV if you change something that you don't understand. Default password is usually 0000. So if I try that, you can see that this password is wrong. But if you guess 10,000 times, you will eventually find it. But there is a much simpler method. Take your remote control and press the menu button. After this, press the buttons 1, 1, 4, 7, and here we have the itel TV factory settings. After you get to this page, you can see the first setting is INIT TV. This means initialize TV. So you just press the right navigation button and the TV will be reset. The TV will actually shut itself down. After the TV turns itself off, you just turn it on back again. And this will wipe the TV clean. And this here is how the TV came from the box. And the password will be reset to the default password, which is 0000. So let's try that. 0000. And that is working fine. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and goodbye.